So what DMM does in terms of this is that it has the automatic dependency detection. So it uses some state-of-the-art algorithms for dependency detection to try to build a graph. And even so, there may even be some corner cases where it's so hard that it needs to go to split it in parts, okay? But what this dependency detection does is to replace the human in this untangling job. So it just goes, he analyzes the data structure, the meta model, the dependencies, and say, okay, this is the first step I need to move. So to make sure that data will be consistent and data will be moved correctly to the other side. And after this, I can move either A or B, the other two tables, or so on. And it produces an execution plan that is linear, can be made step by step in order to assure that this complexity is completely masked or hidden from the end user.